It's not seeing the soup. I have to short a bowl to make you guys really see what I want to so. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trisha, and today guys I'm gonna be making the perfect chicken and bone soup. Comment down below guys if you've ever tried this before. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button, like out the video guys, share, comment and subscribe. So yes guys, the Christmas holiday has ended, but guess what, I still have the bone. What to do with it? Well guys, I'm going to be making the perfect chicken ham bone soup. Here guys, I have everything. Just a few items, not really everything to be honest. I only have some corn, some potatoes, some carrots, some Irish potatoes, carrots, pumpkin, thyme, onions and a garlic, and of course Scotch bonnet pepper to make the soup very tasty, right? So guys, I have 3 chicken hips. One is already seasoned from Christmas Day guys, so I'm going to be cleaning up this these chicken hips and mix it up with that seasoned one. Yes guys, come along with me. And I also have my flour guys. I already went ahead and used my flour to make some spinach dumpling. Come along with me guys. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to be adding to my pot is my ham bone, because I want the soup to be, it's a ham bone soup, so I want the soup to be very tasty, right? So I put the ham bone in the water first. Secondly, I'm going to be adding my corn and all my other ingredients. So my corn, my potatoes, my everything guys, just everything. So guys, everything and the ham bone has been added. The next thing guys I'm going to be adding to my soup, I'm going to be adding the chicken. Now guys, I'm adding my chicken. Remember, it's chicken ham bone soup. I'm adding my chicken. Okay. Going to be adding some more thyme to this. Guys, I'm going to be adding a braised cock noodle right now. You can wait until the soup soon finish, then you add it, but I always like to add mine before. Guys, when this comes to a boil, I'm going to be adding the spinach dumpling as well as my Scotch bonnet pepper. Let me just mix this around a little bit. Mix it around and cover it up. So guys, this is what the soup is looking like. Bubbly bubble. It's looking like guys. At this point in time guys, I'm going to be adding my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to be adding one more pepper and scotchy. Guys, I also added a couple of pimentos and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Guys, if you could just smell this soup, it smells so good. Guys, it's now time to make some dumplings. I love making spinach dumplings. They're very quick and easy. More so, baby Kyle loves his dumplings, so I prefer to make spinach dumplings so that he can eat them. So guys, comment down below your favorite type of dumplings to put in soup, whether it is plain flour dumpling, cornmeal dumpling. Comment it down below guys. Also comment if you've ever tried ham bone soup before. Guys, this recipe I got from my mother. I always see her making ham bone soup after Christmas. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. Guys, the ham bone give the soup just a different taste, guys. it's just delicious, really. Guys, this is the reason why I don't make the flour in a proper dumpling, because my hands are already getting tired and all I'm doing is spinning the dumplings. Guys, after making the spinach dumplings, I basically left the soup to cook for about an hour on medium heat. I love when my soup is, very rich and thick. It's not seeing the soup. I have to short a bowl to make you guys really see what I want to see. Because this, not giving it justice at all. It tastes good. It tastes really, really good, guys. Guys, I gave the soup 10 more minutes to ensure that everything boiled out and that, everything comes together. About the soup at this point was very delicious. And everything, guys, boiled out. And the color comes. Guys, this is the finished product. This is what the soup is looking like. So 10 minutes later, guys, this was what the soup was looking like. Guys, the time was really dark and overcast, so you weren't seeing the true color of the soup. But guys, let me tell you that the soup looked good and the soup tasted really, really well. So if it is that you have a ham bone, guys, don't throw it away. Use it to make soup. Tell them, say Trisha tell you that. So guys, this is the finished product. The soup done. Soup tasty. Yes guys, this is perfect for anytime really, but more specifically on Saturdays. If it is that you live in Jamaica, you all know that Saturday is soup day, or for a rainy day or a very cold day. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Like up the video, guys. Turn on your post notification bell. Until next time, bye guys.